Boosting our immunity is the first priority now all of us have to take to fight against the pandemic COVID-19. Viral infections can be effectively thwarted by improving our immunity is a well-established fact. Ayurvedic herbs such as turmeric, black pepper, long pepper, dry ginger, licorice, amrita, kalmeg, etc. are well known to improve our immunity. This ImmuneUp, Takshana Ayurveda has brought a immune boosting powder in the name of Takshana Ayurveda ImmuneUp, which is available two forms, ImmuneUp and ImmuneUp without sugar. ImmuneUp is an instant Ayurvedic drink mix. Take 1 cup of water, add 1 spoon of ImmuneUp powder to it, mix it and you can drink. It will be like a sharbat. As ImmuneUp contains sugar, for the benefit of those whose blood sugar levels are high, we have brought ImmuneUp without sugar also. So there are two variants, ImmuneUp instant drink mix and ImmuneUp without sugar. What are the benefits of ImmuneUp? ImmuneUp has short-term, long-term benefits. In short term, every day it prevents the virus to infect our body, it prevents the viral multiplication. The herbs which are present are scientifically proven to prevent the viral infection, viral multiplication and prevent the inflammation in the lungs which causes the breathlessness in severe lung infection. And it also improves our overall metabolism, digestion and some cells involved in the immunity such as T cells, antibodies, etc. So our body gets a time duration to fight against the infection of the viruses. Not only viruses, any external microbes such as bacteria and fungus or any other viruses also can be easily prevented by consuming daily 1 cup of ImmuneUp. When we have to consume ImmuneUp, ImmuneUp can be consumed as per our convenience. That is either before breakfast or at the time of 11 am or evening 4 pm, etc. It's a well researched one immune boosting product. This ImmuneUp is been certified by Ayush department and our production facility has GMP and FSSAI license also. We have come up with a concept called ImmuneUp India. So all Indians has to be well protected from the pandemic. So all of us has to consume 1 cup of ImmuneUp and let us ImmuneUp India. In this regard, we have brought a website immuneupindia.com also. ImmuneUp is available to buy in various forms through ImmuneUp India website and other online portals such as Amazon, Flipkart, etc. and other Ayurvedic online shops also. It is available. We send it through your doorsteps free of cost. Free door delivery is available. So please visit immuneupindia.com and buy and make use of this product, this health improvement product called ImmuneUp. Thank you.